Where are the fuse boxes located in the 2024 Kia Telluride, and how can they be accessed? What are the specific functions of each fuse panel, such as the one on the driver's side and the one in the engine compartment? How are the fuses labeled, and what electrical components do they control? Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Telluride contains fuses for various electrical components, such as interior lights, power windows, and audio systems. It also includes relays for critical systems like the ignition and wipers. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and replacement if needed. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Telluride includes fuses for critical components such as the engine, alternator, and air conditioning system. It also houses relays for functions like the fuel pump and horn. Each fuse and relay is clearly labeled for easy identification and replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.